everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on Gomora from the 27th to the 31st of December 2021 on Monday. Zodwa attempt to get the spirit out of the house. So now encourages Tati to date Pumlani on Tuesday. Buhle breaks Tati's rule and visit Pumlani. Stompi gives Bongile a mysterious idea on Wednesday. Ntokozo protect Chiamo against Stumo. Mazette tells Pumlani that Tati has a crush on him on Thursday. Mazette tells Butle to stay away from Dogozo. Esangoma tells Zodwa that Dawn is still in her house on Friday. Zodwa chooses to spend New Year's Eve without Bongani. Tati refuses for Butle to live with Pumlani. Guys, this is all I have for today. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. In that note, thank you so much guys for supporting a Sunday Live channel throughout the year. We wish you all the best in 2022 and a happy new year. We love you. Bye.